Hello everyone, myself Sohail. Today me and my team are going to present the project e-commerce website. So as you can see the table of contents here. So basically, what is an e-commerce website? E-commerce website is a platform where small businesses, major businesses, and vendors connect to each other, in which they can boost their sales. As you can see in this era of technology, e-commerce website is a must, as everybody is shopping online today. So the objectives of the project is to develop client-based web pages using HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery and AngularJS, and to develop responsive web pages using Bootstrap. The scope of the project is to develop a responsive online game store website using the web development tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and Bootstrap, and to create a navigation bar for navigating between different types of products and search bar for searching products, to sell products at lower prices, to create slideshow of images to display various products. And this website can run any software. Maybe it is a software. You can also run in Windows and Windows 8. The hardware used is also given. So as you can see the source code here. So as you can see the interface of the website here, the screenshots of the interface of the website. Here you can see that it is divided to various categories like groceries, clothing, electronics, hobbies, etc. And also you can see the screenshot of the login page and the products featured here, and also the sign up page, and also a developers panel. So at the last, I want to conclude that by using standard resources and tools, our viewers will be able to view our web pages no matter what browser they use. Our pages will load faster, and we would be able to maintain the web pages we have created with ease. Users will experience a user-friendly way of online shopping. So further, my friend Sahil Liaquat will be continuing with the website.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sahil Yakar, and I will tell you about the website that we have made. Basically, it's a commercial based website. First of all, when we click on login, it redirects us to the login page where username and password will be asked. And when we click on login, it again redirects us to the main homepage. Similarly, when we click on the sign up, it redirect us to the sign up page where various details from us will be asked, like set username, enter date of birth, enter address, enter email, set password. And when we click on next, it again redirect us to the home page. We have also given the search bar at the top right corner, which directly redirect us to the main homepage of the Amazon. Various widgets are also given here, like groceries, clothing, electronics, and hobbies. For example, if I click on clothing, uh, three categories will be given, like clothing for men, clothing for women, or clothing for kids. When we click on clothing for men, it redirect us to the clothing for men options of the Amazon. As you can see here, the men's clothing will be appear. Similarly, when we click on the electronics, as if someone want to buy a mobile, he or she click on mobile, then he will able to saw the mobile which he can buy, and all that comes from the homepage of Amazon. And like that hobbies, suppose if someone want to buy books, he can buy from there. And this part is not completed because it was completely backend and server based, and as we were not able to support server based programming, that we have left it. And in the about us corner, uh, the information about our developers has been given, like our name, USN, and contact. Okay. We have also given some ads here, like feature ads, mobile ads, electronics ads, and the wholesale ads, as you can see here. In the end, we have used image of the bricks which we have downloaded from the internet. Okay, in case if someone need any help, he or she can contact us from here. And the further code will be explained by my friend Viraj. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Viraj and today I'll be explaining the source code for the website you see a few seconds ago. So here this index.html, this code is for homepage of the website. So as here you can see, we have added the style sheet, plus we have added another font. So here again in style tag we have added image, background image. So starting from functions, as you can see on the top right, you have seen on the top right, there are two buttons, login and sign up. So when you click on them, it will redirect you to another page. Uh, Here the address for the another pages are given for login and sign up. So moving further, just below that you could see a search bar. When you type something in it and click on search, it will redirect you to Amazon where you will find your product. Here, see here, this is the code for that search bar, and here we have provided the address for the Amazon website. So further, we have given various buttons such as groceries, clothing, electronics, hobbies, where and they are again subcategorized into three or four categories. For example, in groceries, it is categorized into three types: must needed things, daily use, and toys and games. So when you click on any one of these, it will again redirect you to another website where you will find the products as mentioned. For example, if you search for if you click on daily use, you will redirect it to a page where all the products are used in daily life and you can purchase from there. This is the same for clothing, again men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing. Same for electronics, mobiles. And in the U option, we have added your account, your wish list, and saved products. As this is a prototype website, we have not added these features yet, but in future we'll add them. When you click on about us, it will redirect you to another page containing information about the website. So here is the address we have provided for that page. So further, we have added three slider boxes. First slider box is about featured. It will show you some particularly featured products, and if you click on that featured button, you will be redirected to Amazon where you can buy those products. Uh, Same for mobiles, then electronics and wholesale. There are sliders and they will be showing you images of the products. You can click on the button, so you will be redirected. Again, here we have added footer. So this is the login page. uh, Here you can see we have added a CSS sheet. Then again in style tag we have added some features. Here when you enter the login page, you will see two options. One is username and one is password. When when you enter when you enter them and click on login, it will redirect you to the home page. It is the same for sign up. Actually, login and sign up pages are same. The only difference is that there are uh, more things to be inserted in sign up page, such as date of birth, address, email, etc. And again, when you click on next, it will redirect you to the home page. Now this is the about us. This HTML file, it is for the about us page. So here we have added style sheet, background image. Here Here we have changed the font, and here this is the information which is showed in the website. Below that, you will see a next button. When you click on it, you'll be redirected to an another page containing profiles of the developers of the website. Here we have added that button and the link. So thank you everyone. This is all from our side.